The IB Math courses may seem confusing at first, since they're not organized by topic or subject area, but rather they're divided into two-year courses: Applications and Interpretation, AI, and Analysis and Approaches, AA, and you can pick between those two. So what's the difference between them and which one should you take? In this video, we're taking a look at Math AI HL, and we're going to talk about 7 ways to get a 7 in this course. First, check what course your college wants. Many colleges will require you to take either Math AI or Math AA and require you to take it either at higher level or standard level. So even if you're not certain about what colleges you're going to apply to, think about what colleges and courses you might want to apply to later on, because you don't want to limit your options later by choosing the wrong course now. Also, check if your colleges offer course credit for any of the IB courses, which will allow you to skip an introductory course later in college. So what is Math AI? Math AI, as its name suggests, is more focused on the practical applications of mathematics. So this makes it a good choice for those who do not need a very rigorous understanding of math, but would rather benefit from more focus and more time on statistics and data analysis and topics like that. Those topics are applicable to a wide variety of non-science fields as well. Okay, if you do decide to take Math AI, remember that the IA, or internal assessment, is even more important now. Since there's a syllabus change, there's still a good bit of uncertainty about how the examinations will work and how the papers will look like. So it's a good idea to maximize your score on the internal assessments by putting in a little bit of extra effort there, where you have total control over what you're doing. Number 4, know your calculator. The Math AI course allows you to use a graphing calculator on all the tests, and it also requires you to be very proficient with it. So you should know your calculator inside out, and you should be able to use it efficiently while you're being timed. Number 5, ask questions in class. It's important to iron out any misconceptions at the earliest. Don't be afraid to ask your teacher to go over something you didn't understand once again, because you really do need to have a very solid conceptual understanding for this course. Number 6, use online resources to improve your understanding. So if you think you're still struggling to understand something, try looking for resources and explanations online. There are a lot of videos and articles that are not specific to this course or even to the IB, but nonetheless they'll give you a very good intuition for the material that you're covering in class. Finally, number 7, practice with past exams. So even though this is a new syllabus, many of the actual exam questions will be on topics covered in the old MathHL course, and the pattern of questions might also be quite similar. Practicing with past exams is really the best way to improve your problem solving and time management skills. So those are 7 tips for you to get a 7 in your Math AI HL course.